Bad weather is hitting parts of northern Europe, making even the simplest mode of travel difficult. Strong winds are expected to reach as much as 110 kilometres an hour in Belgium. Widespread damage has been reported from the wind and rain. One person was killed by a falling gate. Elsewhere, rising water levels have caused flooding in the Netherlands. In some areas, emergency workers are putting sandbags in place, and dozens of homes have been evacuated. Flights have been disrupted, and conditions at sea are also proving difficult. Similar stormy weather is hitting numerous other countries, including Germany. People are being warned to be careful when venturing outside, with widespread reports of falling trees and tiles. Snow is the main problem in the likes of the Czech Republic. Road and rail traffic has been hit in many areas. And winds of up to 150 kilometres an hour have been reported.